You're staring at a chart, lines zigzagging, candles flickering, and you're thinking, who built this? Who put this powerful tool at my fingertips? You're looking at TradingView, the go-to platform for millions of traders and investors worldwide. But have you ever stopped to wonder who's actually behind it all? Who's the mastermind, or rather, the team of masterminds, that made this happen? It's easy to get lost in the interface, the indicators, the community chats, and forget that there's a real story behind the screen. It's not just some faceless corporation, it's a journey, a vision brought to life. Now, let's peel back the layers. TradingView isn't the brainchild of a single individual. It's a collective effort, a collaboration of talented developers and entrepreneurs. But, if we have to pinpoint the core, we have to look at its founders. TradingView was founded in 2011 by three Ukrainian developers, Denis Globa, Stan Bokov, and Konstantin Ivanov. Imagine, back then, the landscape of online charting and social trading was vastly different. They saw a gap, a need for a more intuitive, more social, and more powerful platform. They wanted to democratize trading information, making it accessible to everyone, not just the elite. Denis Globa, the CEO, often speaks about the vision of building a platform where traders could share ideas and collaborate. He's the public face, the one who articulates the company's mission and guides its direction. Stan Bokov, the COO, focuses on the operational side, ensuring the platform runs smoothly and efficiently. And Konstantin Ivanov, the CTO, is the technical wizard, the one who oversees the development and innovation that keeps TradingView at the cutting edge. But it's not just about these three founders. TradingView is a testament to the power of teamwork. They've built a robust ecosystem, attracting talented developers, designers, and community managers from all over the world. It's a global effort, a diverse team united by a common goal. What's fascinating is how they've managed to maintain this sense of community, even as the platform has grown exponentially. TradingView isn't just a charting tool, it's a social network. It's where traders share ideas, strategies, and insights. It's where beginners learn from experienced professionals. It's a hub of knowledge and collaboration. And think about the technology. Real-time data, complex charting tools, custom indicators, PineScript, the programming language that allows users to create their own trading tools. This isn't something that happens overnight. It's the result of years of hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. The founder's vision has clearly resonated with millions. TradingView has become an essential tool for traders of all levels, from beginners to professionals. It's a testament to their commitment to building a platform that empowers individuals to make informed trading decisions. So, the next time you're analyzing a chart, remember the story behind it. Remember the vision, the dedication, and the teamwork that made it all possible. It's not just a platform, it's a community, a resource, a testament to the power of innovation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.